Oh my goodness. I can't believe that in this video I'm going to be revealing one of my best strategies that I've actually been using for many years. And this is really great. So if you've been losing money, just saying goodbye, because this is really going to change your life. I mean your life right now. So make sure that you share this video even to your friends who have been losing money, because now this is the time. This is actually one of the best strategies, top five of my best strategies that I actually just use. So you're going to jump into the chart, analyze the market, wait, and then make money from that. All right, so you may not be seeing this, but you're going to concentrate more on the chart because you're going to have more patience. It's going to take us like a 1 hour, but of course I'll be skipping some part because of what is really going to be happening. I'm shooting this right now because I see the price is almost ending to the area where I'm waiting to see a buy zone. All right, and yeah, let's jump to it. So this is what we have. This is gold right now. It is already 12:026 PM East African time. Gold is actually trading at 40.54 right now. This is the price I'm waiting to see gold actually touching. That is actually around 40.44. That is, let's say, below from when the market actually touches below 40.50. Let's say 40.48, 40.47. I'm going to be buying all the way to 40.40. That is going to be my buying zone as the market proceeds to move down. That level is really very nice when you move to the highest time frame, and you're going to consider that. If you look at this, we have on the intraday volume, we have a higher volume that is actually developing across this area here, and because these are actually put positions, then there's a likelihood for the big institution to hedge across those areas. So actually we might be getting high, the market actually jumping once it touches those areas. Once you have that, it's the same thing that we can see as well happening on this side, because across 4050 again you can see all the gamma region. That is when we have across this expiry here of the 20 DTE, you can see that is the region that we have high reaction of 1 is equal to 2. That is the area we expect the market to react once it touches these 1 to 2 areas here. The other one that we end was actually 4100, but we are past that, and this is I'm waiting to see 1 2 around this area here means higher reaction and a high likelihood of delta change, and that's why I'm expecting once this market actually touches that area, I'm expecting this price to jump up and move all the way. So I'm going to be buying from here. This is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to long this. I'm going to long once the market hit 43, and I'm going to be targeting 96, almost 4100, and my stop loss is actually going to be half of that, of which now I'm going to be putting it almost to 4000, because there is another reaction at 4000. So we actually have to put it like 20s, because once the market moves to around 20, there's a likelihood the market is actually going to be moving to 4000. So that is why I'm placing my trend. That is on today, on the 8th of July 2026. So let's wait and see. What has actually drive this bigger move here is because of one thing. There is Iran and Israel, the war. This is what the Trump is saying, that he is done with that. Trump says US Iran ceasefire is over, and as you can see, the price of Brent oil is really rising. This is it. It's actually right here because of fear. And if you're going to look also on the VIX, you're going to realize that there's a high big volatility on the VIX. Like the VIX has already spiked up. That is volatility of VIX that measures the stock market. Look at what the VIX are actually done here, rising and moving all the way to the top. On the lowest time frame, it's already 87, and that is really crazy. And this is a likelihood of the market that is actually fear. There is fear that is actually driving into this market. I think Trump is really doing a lot of things, and that is what we are really getting from this. So let's keep moving. We are waiting to see how gold is really going to be reacting from this. Already we are at 51, so we are almost there. You can see the price is already stalling, and that is what we are really getting. So we need to wait and see how the price is really going to be from there, and then we just buy. I'll be updating you later. So as you can see now, the market has actually touched the 44, 43, 44, 44. So we are going to be buying right away. So I'm going to be putting 0.2 lot size, and then we're going to have the TP placed all the way to around 40, 90, 40, 85, around those areas. Stop loss is actually going to be around down one there. So let's wait and see how this market is absolutely going to be doing right here. Look at that. Look at that. Now, I was waiting for the prices to move up. Remember this. If you want to learn all this information, if you really want to learn all this for free, there's one thing that you can absolutely do. I am not going to charge you this, but there's one more thing that you can actually do. Make sure that in the comment section and description, make sure that you register with that broker that I have pinned on the comment section, and also in the description. Register and deposit at least any amount of money, and then send me a screenshot. I'm going to be handing you to these free classes that I'm going to be teaching all this information for free of charge. Let's see what is happening. Now I'm going to now spin this, so that as you can see, the prices are moving very quickly. And the reason I'm just doing this is because I'm expecting now the TP to be almost around 4090 there. So again, if you use the Fibonacci retracement or Fibonacci retracement, you're going absolutely to see that the TP is actually almost located to almost 4090. And because of course this is absolutely different from futures market, you can place of course your TP. You can start exiting right from 4085 right there. If you actually see those prices, you don't need to be so ingrained. You can absolutely either reduce your positions or keep on. But the most important thing is absolutely to reduce your position exposure that you're going to be having right there from that place, because that's how the market is absolutely going to be doing here. But we have even more proof of this, because there are a lot of things that we've not confirmed with, which actually we are going even to share more of these strategies, so that you can have and know what more to check on this market. Look at how the market is absolutely moving here. So you don't keep buying as the market moves up. You can just wait and get your TP right over this place. Now, after a few minutes, of course, you can see now we have already made some good profit, and I just decided let's just do some withdrawals here. $200 is really good for us today, and that is 20,000, not $200. Actually, that is around 170. And then tomorrow we begin again. We are going to spot more opportunities from this. All right, make sure that you follow me, and don't forget what we said. The link in the description and link in the comment section for broker. Register and send me a screenshot. I'll be handing you to the free classes.